Hey everybody, so it's been a minute, another minute. It's been like 3 weeks since I made a video and I'm really sorry about that, but bitch listen, it's been hot. It's been hot. And I haven't been wanting to put makeup on because it's been that hot. And what happens, interestingly, during the summer, you would expect this to happen during the winter time. I get dry spots on my face and it's really irritating. And I also didn't shave, so we're gonna have a different sort of look going on today, a little bit more butch. But yeah, so today's video I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Makeup Revolution London. I'm going to be using their Jewel Collection Opulent palette. And I don't really know, wait, actually I think this retails for $15, but I got it at Marshall's for $5.99. I just bought it like about a week and a half ago, and I used it once, just played with it just like regular. I didn't really do anything crazy, and I actually liked the shimmers that I used, and I'm gonna be doing basically the same thing that I did, but this is what it looks like. Really pretty. That's a movie poster, just so you guys know, for the house with the clock in its walls. But I'm going to be using this palette today. It's pretty simple, very neutral, kind of basic, but I just wanted to play with this because I haven't done a video yet. I haven't done a look from my Instagram with this, and I have never actually used a Makeup Revolution palette or anything from them except, their concealer a while back. So that's what we're doing today. And it's so pretty too as well. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so we are up close and personal now. This is how I do my eye looks. And my eyelids are sticking to each other because it's fucking hot. But I'm going to be using, as I said, the Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection Opulent palette. Opulence. You earn everything. Yes, okay. And also my tape is coming off because I'm sweating. Yeah, and also my family's home all the time. It's fucking summer, and you know, we're a Mexican family, so we're loud. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild brushes that I get from the Dollar Tree because I love these. That's mostly Wet n Wild brushes that I own, like these. And I'm gonna dip in, and somebody's playing loud music now. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go in with this one called Peace right here. So that's what I'm gonna go in with first. And look at my eyelid. I feel like I have Botox because my eyelids are sticking. This is why I fucking hate summer. Fucking hate summer. Alright, here we go. So this is going to be a pretty basic look, nothing crazy. Last time I did a rainbow look, so that was like for my people that love all the colors, but I do too, so you're rarely going to see looks like this, but I will do them because, you know, there's people out there who are normal and like, you know, looks like this. Like basic ones, like not in a bad way, not basic in a bad way, but like, you know, just really simple looks, like to go to work. And you know, though I don't know, some people go to work with eyeshadow, bright as neon colors, so it's all up to you. So yeah, so I'm adding this one in. This is the one called Peace. It's a little bit darker than I thought, but it's just gonna have to work. Alright, so now that I have Peace down, I'm going to go in with another color, and I kind of want to do more of a berry one. So I'm going to go in with this one called Impressionable. Yeah, Impressionable right here. So I'm going to use that one mainly in the like outer V area, and see how it works, see how it goes together. Something is loud. I think it's my little cousin watching YouTube videos. But oh well, can't do nothing about it. If you tell everyone to be quiet, they get louder. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this one here. Whoa, that like flew on me. I don't really care much about like fallout because, you know, I do my eyes first anyway all the time, so I can just clean it, so it doesn't really bother me. But yeah, so I'm putting this one right here. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. Alright, so I went ahead and tried out, just to try it, just to see if it was dark enough. This one called Mood right here, and it seems like it did darken it up a little bit. This is going more smoky than, like, this is more like nighttime, you know what I mean? But like, it's just, that's how we're gonna do it. So I'm taking this e.l.f. brush that I love so much. This is the blending eye brush. I don't really know about this being for blending, but it's really good for packing. It's pretty dense, so I'm putting that color Mood right up in here. It's kind of like a dark gray, and it's working for right here. And I'm adding it up in here just a little bit. So yeah, this is much more of like a darker smoky look, but you know, it's, you know, a little different than the stuff that I normally do. I just love to, like, you know, in your face do a bunch of color. So this is a little bit different for me, but I still like it. So I'm basically done with the look. It's basically turned into like a smoky, like berry smoky look. But I used Mood, Peace, right, wait, where's Peace? Right here. And then Impressionable right here. And Participate, I'm gonna be using Participate right now. And then I'm also gonna be using Soul, which is this really pretty, like, light, like peachy one. So I'm gonna be using that. So I'm kind of okay with how this came out. This is like a real, like, smoky-ish type of palette. That's what I would say. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. Oh, and if I did not mention what I use to prime my eyes, I use the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. That's what I use to prime my eyes, and it does an amazing job, as you can tell with the eyeshadows. Really like it. And yeah, so now I'm gonna use my finger, because I always use my fingers when I apply shimmers because I like it better. I'm gonna be dipping into Participate, that one right there in the corner. I've already dipped into it. I think that's the one I used, like, to do like the mini look I did on my Instagram story. But that is really pretty, as you can tell. And it's really cool. They give you like this big ass mirror, so like if you want to do your makeup like that, that's pretty cool. But I'm going to go ahead and put it here. Sorry if it looks like I'm flipping you guys off, but I'm putting that one here. And something new that I've been doing lately that I'm probably not going to be able to do with these shimmers, because this only works with the biiiiiitch Cosmetics baked ones, is that I usually take the shimmer and then I go up and over here. But I don't think I can do that with these. I think these are a little too pressed for that. But I'm going to try to take it as high as possible without it looking messy. I'm going to clean my finger off and use the same one and go into Soul, which is right here. I got big fingers, so yeah. And ooh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. So I'm gonna put that right there in the middle, just in the middle. I just want it right there. And that, whoa, that looks cute. So there I have it right there in the middle. It looks really good with this. And I'm also gonna put it in my inner corner too right now. So that's the look. I have to tilt my head because they told you guys I have hooded eyes. So I have to go like this. But yeah, so that's the look right there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I will be right back. Yes. Alright, so see you in a little bit. So I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera because I use the same things all the time. I haven't really changed anything. I use for foundation the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Buff Bisque. For concealer, I use the ColourPop No Filter in Fair 04. And for powders, I use a Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent one, and I've been using this one though. I think this is a little bit of a change. This is something new I've been using. This Wet n Wild, a little compact in tan, and this is a little compact from Dollar Tree, and it's in this like neutral brown, and it does a really good job at like bronzing me up if I'm not feeling like using this one, which I use all the time anyway. But this is also my butter bronzer that I'm already running out of, but I don't really care because this works just as good and it's only $1. And then, what else? Oh yeah, I use my biiiiiitch Cosmetics Pro palette, Shade and Define, and I use these colors in here. I mostly stay in like the light area, but sometimes I'll dip into the darker ones, and I normally put that around this area. And for lipstick, I used the Lorac Pro in Plum Pink. Right here, I got this at Marshall's in like a 2-pack, I think like 3 or 4 months ago. But this is like one of my favorite liquid lipsticks ever. I just really like it. I think it looks really cute with this whole look. And for mascara, I used my Wet n Wild Max Volume one, and I don't wear fake eyelashes, so I just curled my lashes. Yeah, that's it. I don't like wearing fake eyelashes. I hate them. So yeah, now we're gonna get into highlighter, and I'm gonna be using the Blossom Glow one from Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna dip in with my biiiiiitch Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray highlighter brush, and just gonna put it right here. It's a little, like, I'm gonna go a little bit heavy right here, but like when I get back here, I'm just gonna like fan it out a little bit. I don't really like for it to look too crazy going all the way up. I like it to look crazy right here. But I love highlighter, even though it doesn't really show up that much in my pictures on Instagram, which really sucks. And I don't want to like edit on highlighter because why? So I mainly just do that, but it looks really cute. It's really subtle. Add a little bit more just to show you it's cute, and it's only $5. Pretty sure everybody knows about these already, but I'm gonna add a little bit more on here above my Cupid's bow, chin, and then I add just a tad bit up in this area right here. If you ever like, you don't see me like mention like face products, what you're seeing right here is what I use all the time. I rarely change up my like face products because once I find something I like using, I use it almost all the time. Oh, and I forgot to mention my brows. So my brows are my brows, but I also add a little bit of this brow gel from LA Colors. This is the Browy Wowie one, and I think they discontinued this, which I'm really mad about, but I know that they have these in like little versions at Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna have to stock up on those because I really love this. And this is in dark brown, and that's basically it. And as for the Makeup Revolution palette, I actually really like it. It's cute. Yeah, do I see myself dipping into this like regularly? Probably not, but like when I want to do something really subtle and just like simple, but also like really like pretty much sultry like this, then I will probably dip into this. And also too, I think I'm gonna like using these shimmers because I really love how they look. So I really like this. This was only $5.99. I know it's originally $15, but go to Marshall's and get it for $6 and you're good. It's worth $6. Yeah, so that is it. So I will see you guys next time with another video. Really hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, all right, bye.